Welcome to our Smart Farming Guide. Today we will show how to grow pumpkins using bamboo trellises. Pumpkin is a nutritious and popular vegetable grown by farmers worldwide. Traditional pumpkin farming spreads across the ground and requires a lot of space. This can increase disease risk and reduce fruit quality. But using bamboo trellises can solve many of these problems. The first step in pumpkin farming is preparing healthy soil. Farmers mix compost and organic fertilizer to improve soil fertility. Organic matter helps plants grow stronger and healthier. Raised beds improve drainage and protect plant roots. Light watering prepares the soil for planting seeds.
Next, we prepare bamboo poles for the trellises. I'll start cutting them.
Bamboo poles are inserted firmly into the soil. Strong rope or fiber is used to tie bamboo poles together. The rope is wrapped tightly around the poles to form a secure joint. This creates a strong, stable structure for building.
Horizontal supports create a strong climbing frame.
This structure helps pumpkin vines grow upward. A strong trellis can hold heavy pumpkin fruits. Extra support ensures stability during plant growth.
Now the bamboo trellis is ready for planting pumpkins. Pumpkin seeds are planted near the base of the trellis.
Seeds are gently covered with soft soil. Regular watering helps seeds germinate quickly. Within a few days, tiny pumpkin seedlings appear. The plants begin growing strong green leaves.
Farmers guide young vines toward the bamboo trellis. This helps them grow strong and straight and produce better fruit.
Soon the vines start climbing the structure. The garden slowly becomes a vertical green wall. Bees help pollinate pumpkin flowers naturally. Pollination is essential for fruit production. Soon small pumpkins begin to grow.
Healthy plants produce more flowers and fruits.
Pumpkins continue growing larger each day. The bamboo trellis supports the weight of the fruits. Farmers sometimes use nets or cloth for extra support. This prevents pumpkins from falling or breaking. The garden becomes full of healthy pumpkin vines. After about 3 months, pumpkins are ready to harvest. Farmers carefully cut pumpkins from the vine. Harvested pumpkins are collected in baskets. Fresh pumpkins are prepared for market or storage. A healthy harvest is the reward of good farming. This bamboo trellis method increases productivity. After harvest, farmers remove old pumpkin vines.
Clearing out the last of these old vines. Good. This soil needs to breathe.
Cleaning the field helps prevent pests and disease. The soil is prepared again for the next crop. Farmers often plant cucumbers after pumpkin harvest. Beans also grow well using bamboo trellis.
Tomatoes can also benefit from this support structure.
The same trellis can support many climbing vegetables.
This method saves time and farming costs. Crop rotation improves soil health. Soon the garden becomes productive again.
Proper care ensures healthy vegetable growth.
Fresh vegetables grow quickly using this system.
Bamboo trellis farming is efficient and sustainable.
Farmers can grow more food using less land.
Bamboo trellis farming is a smart solution for modern agriculture.